Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see in the title, I will be doing a Ulta haul. I literally just got home from running errands, and I stopped by at Ulta because I'd have a $10 gift card and extra $3.50 off from Ulta as well. So I was like, you know what, might as well just stop there and, you know, grab a couple of stuff. So anyways, I came home with this big bag. So first things first, I got the receipts here. Okay, so first things first is this Total Face Sponge Duo right here from e.l.f. I believe this is $8. It is $10. And then I think it's on sale. I'm not sure. So I only ending up paying $8.75 for this one. I was trying to get just one of these, and it was like $5. So I was like, might as well get these for like $8. So I got two of these. I keep watching Juicy Dress. I freaking love her so much. Like, I've been watching her since I believe I think it was like a year when I got here in America. And you know, before I don't have a job, and I'm just starting to know to play more makeup and stuff. And then I discovered her channel way 2016. It was like, you know, like a couple of years ago, and I've been watching her ever since. So she do have a collaboration with ColourPop, but then it was sold out. And the time she announced it, I was in the cruise, so I'm just like, when I try to purchase everything, like the bundle, it was just like literally sold out. But anyways, I got this e.l.f. sponge because she said she really likes these, so I'm gonna try it out. I do like my Real Technique sponges. So anyways, next one is these e.l.f. All Day Feels facial oil. So if you guys are new to my channel, I'm normally, if you watch my beauty stuff, I'm normally combination to oily skin. But since now where I live is winter time, and my skin went from really oily to very dry, and I've been putting a lot of moisturizer in my face because I'm not used to being dry, because I'm normally like oily. I'm combination to oily skin, but I'm just like, what is going on? But my skin, like especially this part, like the cheek part, it is literally dry. So I want to try this facial oil. I believe this is new, I think from e.l.f. like the hemp thing. But I think this was this is $12. Yes, it is $12. So I can't wait to try this one. Next one is Marc Anthony Grow Long Conditioner. This is a repurchase. This is highly recommended by my friend Ate Mimi. Hi Ate Mimi, if you're watching. So yeah, I like the shampoo. I do have the leave-in conditioner as well, and I like the shampoo. So I've been using this like ever since she recommended this to me, and my hair literally grow fast. And it's kind of like more like a healthy hair. I don't know, but like my hair has been like it's not, how do you call it, like there's no frizzle. Oh, I don't know, but anyway, I like this conditioner, and it smells freaking good. And this is, I believe, 7 something. Wait a minute, let's see. Yeah, it's $7.99, and then I only ending up paying $6.99, so it's like $1 off. Okay, that's good. And then the next one is, okay, from e.l.f. again. God, I love e.l.f. So this is the Hydrating Camo Concealer. I believe these are new. This is new from e.l.f. I do have the regular Camo Concealer, and I really like this. I didn't repurchase my Tarte because this, I feel like the dupe from Tarte. And you know, Tarte concealer Shape Tape is really expensive, and if you guys are like in a budget, try the e.l.f. Camo Concealer. But if you want to splurge your money, like, girl, go ahead. But I want to try this Hydrating Concealer because, like I said, my skin has been very dry lately, so I want to try these. and then I pick up the shade medium sand. What is my shade on this one? Tan sand. But anyway, hopefully this will match me, because I was just like eyeballing it, and okay, so it's $6 and I only ending up paying $5.25. All right, so next one is another one from Elf. This is the eyebrow duo brush from Elf. It's just like dual-ended brush from eyebrows. This is $4, I believe. Hold on. Yeah, it is $4, and wait, was it? Yeah, it is $4, and I ending up paying $3.50. Okay, so next one is last but not the least, actually. Hold on. I got 2 perfume. Oh my god, can you guys not see it? I think the ring light is way too bright. Hold on. But anyways, I got 2. I'm supposed to get 3, and I wasn't expecting that they were having the sale. This is the KKW fragrance in collaboration with Courtney Kim, who else? Oh, Courtney Kim and Chloe. So I only got the Kim and Chloe because the Courtney one was sold out. I really like the Courtney smell because this have like the tester, and I like them all 3, but the one that's really stand out was Chloe and also Courtney. I kind of like Kim. It's kind of like mild. I like it too. But anyways, this was $40. The original price was $40, and they're having 30% off, so I ending up paying $28. And yeah, so from $40 to $28, you literally save money, and it is 30 ml 1 fluid ounce. But yeah, this is the packaging. Is actually big. I wasn't expecting the packaging was big, but I'm gonna open it for you guys so you guys can see what they look like. So anyways, let me take this plastic off. But this is the box. It's actually look at my face, the size of my face, but this is how they look like. Okay, so this is Chloe. The pink one is Chloe, the grayish one is Kim, and the yellow is Courtney, but I don't have the yellow because they were out of stock when I asked for it. But oh, okay, bougie. Okay, packaging is bougie. Oh, come on, right there. So oh my god, so this is it, you guys. Look at that. Ooh, this is how it looks like. And this is, like I said, one ounce fluid ounce. Oh yeah, Chloe smells really good. Like, oh, smells really good there. And I really like the packaging. Like, that's good for like 40 bucks, and then the packaging is amazing. And anyways, let me open Kim's. There, I think you gotta pull this right here, right there. She's kind of stuck there. Hold on. Okay, so this is how they look like. It's look like a freaking diamond and like in a bottle. Let's smell her. Yeah. Oh yeah, this smells good too. I like it mild, but I like it. I wish you guys can smell it. Okay guys, before I end the video, I actually got this as well from Ulta, and then this is the Maybelline Dream Radiant foundation, and this one is in the shade, I'm in the shade Cashew. I picked up the shade Cashew, and it actually actually matches me, because I was like eyeballing my shade as well. But anyways, I normally use the Dream Urban Covered, because this one has the SPF, and I'm like literally almost like done with this foundation. And if I don't use this, I use my Fenty foundation, like the hydrating foundation. But oh my god, you guys, this too is really good, especially with this one, because like I said, for a couple million times my skin has been very dry lately. So I was like, I'm not gonna use a mattifying foundation if I'm, you know, if I'm going somewhere, because it literally looks like I don't know, I don't like the finish of my foundation. So anyways, I really like this. I tried this like 2 or 3 times already, I'm not sure, ever since I got this, and I really like it. And I'm wearing it right now. I didn't put a lot, and I also wear the elf Camo concealer just to like brighten up. But anyway, you guys, that's all for today's haul, and make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys soon on my next one. Bye.